In this video, I'll show you how to quickly add a payment method to your Shopify store so you can start accepting orders. First, go to your Shopify admin panel, then click Settings at the bottom left. From there, select Payments. This is where you'll manage everything related to how customers pay you. To begin, let's set up PayPal. Under the PayPal section, click Activate PayPal Express Checkout. You'll be redirected to PayPal, where you can either log into an existing PayPal business account or create a new one. Once you complete the connection, customers will be able to check out using PayPal on your store. Next, to set up credit and debit card payments. Click on Add Payment Method, then choose to search by payment method. For example, type in Visa or Mastercard. Shopify will show you a list of third-party providers that support those cards. Choose a provider from the list and click to start the setup. You'll typically need to create an account with that provider and enter your API keys or credentials to connect it to Shopify. Once that's done, your store will be able to accept card payments directly at checkout. If you'd like to offer alternative payment methods, scroll further down and add a manual payment method. Click Add Manual Payment, and you'll see options like cash on delivery, bank deposit, or even a custom method where you can enter your own instructions. All active payment methods will now show up during checkout, allowing your customers to choose the one that works best for them. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now ready to collect payments. Take a few minutes to test everything before you launch, and you'll be good to go.